RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just out snapping some shots of my little D12 build here. Not too happy about the paint job. Had some mishaps and had to redo some stuff, and after a while I just said fuck it and put it together anyways. Lots of stickers to take away some of the attention from the paint job itself, but I think it looks okay. A little drifter race truck. So yeah, no shelf queen, just a street basher. Still some adjustments to be made. Not completely happy with the hex adapters. It flops around a little bit, and need to fix the battery mount there. So I'm running it on 3S today. Got the V3 electronics in there, and just going to take some photos as I said and do a quick little test run because it bounces around quite a lot. So I started this project quite some time ago. Then I started some other projects. So I just wanted to get this finished. So this is like, I don't know, barely quarter throttle. Just seeing how it handles. I've lowered it slightly in the front as well as raised it in the rear. Okay, so definitely got some power if you punch the throttle. And I will definitely give it a try with some drift tires as well. Whoa. Spins out when you punch the throttle. Whoa! Yeah, it starts spinning when you punch the throttle. 3S. And I also got the high-speed motor, the black can. So yeah, plenty of power in there. And as I said, just a quick little update. I'm going to fit a gyro as well as some drift tires on it. It's awesome from here, some feet away, like 10 feet away. It looks great. You can see the rear wheels not quite straight there. Donuts. Some more donuts here, let's see. Yeah, so it got some power. Yeah. More videos coming where I will show you guys some more of this. Whoa! I think 2S is more than enough. Let me know what you think in the comments. As I said, no shelf queen, but still cool. The cage there on the flatbed, that's some metal straws from the grocery store. Looks pretty cool as well, I think. Nice. Imagine this on drift wheels. So I hope you liked it, and leave a comment.